cool. Now we are live.
What?
Frox right now is just posting out to the Twitter. Pierre, hello! It's another Friday, you guys, and it's getting close to December time. Hey, Rempa, I see ya. Oh, thank you, Mistrick VR, for the follow. Thank you very much. I wanted to ask you guys that are coming inside right now, does my microphone sound fine? Is it too loud? If it's too loud, I can turn down the volume or adjust it. I want to get to a right volume for like how other people sound to the volume of how my voice is, so. It sounds okay? Okay, so far you guys don't mind it. Cool, awesome. Patient Halo, thank you for the follow. Very patient, yes. Oh, Candy Cutie, thank you for the follow as well. Thank you, Candy. Hey, Blaze, welcome, dude. Oh, and Specs, thank you for that tier 1 subscription. Very kind of you. Help support us out. You guys are here all super early with us. Alizard guy, thank you for the follow as well. Hello. It's gonna be a pretty cool stream again today, you guys, because we're gonna be showing off all the different stuff of November that people have created and made. And we have also a lot of people that have came inside the world with us too. They're here right now. Look, we got Specs Fox for the subscription. Will, hello. Nice to see ya. Let me delete this chat though, because that one is broken, and I kind of want to spell out the one that isn't broken. Oh, thank you, Will, for the 14 bits. Thank you for that. Great. So, hey Ghost, why don't you come on the stream real quick and talk about some of like your items that you have made out. Oh, here.
All
sorry,
right.
my phone's ringing. Hey, I'm streaming right now. See ya. Yeah, I'm streaming right now. Goodbye. How are you doing, XX Will? I'm doing great. Doing awesome. Oh, wow. Godly, thank you so much for all those gifted subscriptions. Everyone that got a gifted sub, definitely thank them. Actually, I think Frox got a gifted sub. I don't know why so.
That's me.
Thank you for that.
Thank you. I can use all the commands.
But yes, enjoy my Friday.
You love me!
Yeah.
You really love me!
I love you guys too. I love all of you. So, Ghost has been making some really cool and amazing items here inside of Neos for this month of November. And to show off some of his stuff, would you like to come on stream? The camera would be like right around in this area if you'd like to come on stream. If not though, you can just show the items if you like that as well.
No, I can show you. Firstly, I need the permissions, or you can spawn things by yourself.
Yeah. You're kind of a spectator right now. Sorry about that. Let me set you to that. There you go. Now you should be good. Sakiyama, hello, welcome to stream.
Wait a minute. I hope nobody lagged.
So, Ghost has been making these really amazing interactive chests inside of Neos, with also now his newest creation, which are different bombs. I'll show that interaction just on stream so that people can see like it opening and closing.
Yeah, I have two versions of a crate. So this version is without locker, and another version of a crate it have a locker system, like the fingerprint.
Yeah, so what's cool about the fingerprint one is it actually takes the ID of the character and puts it on it. So right now when it turns pink, then it registers it for me to open up, and now I can use it to open up and place whatever objects that I would want on there. And if I close it up and someone else tries to open it, it'll just give them kind of like an error. So they wouldn't be able to open it.
Access denied.
Yeah, access denied. Oh yeah, here, let's put that inside there.
Because why not? Yeah, all items inside of crate goes to an active state, so you just need to know about that. So if you play some kind of a player, it will go to an active state and you cannot hear it.
We'll probably have to actually leave some of those crates inside the streamer house. Oh, did you take out the pin? Here, and toss it, Frogs.
You can now toss it.
Ooh.
Nice. Try to throw one at the chat.
Oh.
Bomb the
Where's the
chat.
chat?
They always explode us. Yeah, explode them for once in a while. There you go. Poof, blow them up.
That
That's
one is
boom.
proximity. It will blow up only if somebody will be close.
Oh no! What was
Yeah.
that? This
It
one's
was skimmy bop.
one of my favorite
Grenade.
ones. Oop! I keep pulling out the pin. Got the Nan Cat one. Oh, hello, Fruks.
Yeah, that one we made it on.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. That's
Oh
a
my
small
gosh.
grenade.
Whoa! Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Whoa! Also, thank you for the 2
it's
follows. I
lagging
can't
just like
even
Gmod
see.
smoke.
I can't even see the chat. Eerie Wolfie, thank you for the
I
follow.
don't know, I
and,
found it
Shift,
the smoke particles
TGC,
somewhere
thank you for
on the
follow as
internet.
well. Okay. I
They
got
like to
420. Oh,
So,
thanks for
by the
spam
way,
as well. Wow. Incredible.
about that grenade. If you throw to somebody that grenade, it will stun the user for 5 seconds. Just watch.
It'll stun them?
Yeah, as you can see.
Oh, you're stunned?
I
You
cannot
can't-
move.
Oh, well, okay. As they move. They're like, I cannot move as they're moving.
No, I only can move after 5 seconds.
Okay, I see. Oh, I see. Yeah, I actually can't move with my thing. That's cool. That would be really great for like a game that you'd be playing, and then you're just like trying to toss it out, and then you're like stunning someone, and then they're like, I can't move.
That
awesome.
one is somebody will be close to it. It will tell skibidi bop and then blows up.
Skip it up and that up.
Oh my god. It actually knocks you back. That's freaking great.
yeah.
Brooks outside. Blew him through the window.
DU2070, thank you for the follow as well. Yeah, isn't that impressive? Some really cool stuff that Ghost has been making out here in 70s, including, why don't you show off your drinks that are mixable? Those are really awesome as well.
Okay, we just need to create with drinks.
Yeah. Here, let's open this one up.
How convenient.
Ah, some delicious
Yeah, I
drinks.
like my crates.
I get some of that, green juice, because, I'm biased.
Don't forget, you can combine the colors of drinks.
Yeah, we'll get a little bit of purple juice. I like purpley juice.
That's so
There we go, look at that. See,
Grand.
and you see the color actually goes with the different colors, so even if I drink a little bit of that, I could like mix it with the red. And change it like that. Now we got like a coffee. Or a tea.
Also, one more thing. There is no special dispenser that I did for the barrels. That special dispenser, when you press the button and
Oh,
it
thanks for the
goes to
coffee.
green state. Yeah. So that dispenser will allow you to drink from the hose directly.
Yep, and this is all like removable, which I think is so awesome for the interactions and also the sounds of it. It really feels like, like it's made out like as a game.
I just got the temptation to switch to Demo Man. That would be perfect.
In a green state, you
Hey,
can
I
drink.
mean, you gotta stay
From, like,
hydrated, right,
fruit.
Sky?
Just bring closer to your
Yeah,
face.
I got a little bit more for you. There you go. A little bit of purple juice for you. Skywind's like, I
Yeah,
can't grab
better to
anything. I'm a
extend the
spectator.
hooves.
I'm a
For
spectator
drinking.
mode.
I can't either.
Sorry.
There you
Your
go.
head is like
Chug.
most closer to your neck.
I just
Yeah.
make sure that spectators, just so then people don't go crazy and spawn stuff out like insane.
Excellent.
Otherwise, it gets even
Oh
worse.
yeah.
I think I can at the very least be trusted.
And it also
That- I don't
depletes
do that very
the
often. I just switch into avatars a lot, if anything.
Oh
the
yeah.
barrel volume.
Get some more of that juice. Juicy.
Excellent. And you also had
There you
some
go.
lighters that could also like flick and be turn-onable enough. You want to show that off
Yeah,
too?
that one I just modeled like inspired by the Metro 2033. That's the archon slider.
Yeah, and he's actually just flicking his wrist. He's not even clicking on a button. He's doing that motion to flick it,
Yep, I know.
which I think is so awesome. And then just like presses down secondary to like light it up.
Mm-hmm. Because you need to light it like using your big thumb. So for that reason I made the secondary action.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then now I'm working on this thing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Here, can I try to
It's
shoot?
not what I thought that was. Okay.
Has that arcade style sound effect to it.
Maybe it's like because you're a spectator.
Yeah, it is.
Mm.
Kirkmon says that's really great stuff. What's his name again? He has no tag. So it's Ghost. Here, let me actually turn on name badges. It's Ghost Z36.
Mm-hmm.
And he's been making out all these are custom-made assets that he's made inside of Blender, right?
Yeah,
And as well as building out a whole bunch of fun, cool stuff for the logic side is done out by Panther.
by me and Shadow Panther, yeah.
Shadow
We
Panther.
both programming these things.
Yeah. You're like, you fool, now we can spin him. Well, by all
Also,
means.
I'm making for my avatar that thing so I can attach the clocks for myself. Just watch.
Ooh.
Up. I cannot see a thing because my head with bandana is too big.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. That's my chat. They bobbleheaded you.
So
My
you
apologies.
can take it,
Oh, Joe, I just put it on
and
my...
if you bring closer, it will show you the clocks. I'm sorry, you cannot because you need that thing. It's like a magnetron.
Oh,
Cool.
is this my is
And
this
it
my
also
is
has-
these my frames too? Yeah, that would no. That's actually yours.
Mm-hmm, because it's making on a local user.
Nice.
Yeah. I also working on another version which will allow you to spawn my grenades and choose the type of a grenade which I want to spawn.
That'll be freaking cool. Just like have like take one out and then chuck it. I like that idea.
Exactly, I need to take it, pull out the pin, and then throw it. That's the algorithm of that.
Oh heck yeah! And did you already add those grenades over inside of your public folder as well, like the box of different grenades?
Yeah, in a box, different grenades, and separated in the weapons folder.
Yep. I was actually thinking, considering that you have such really amazing already made out some cool custom content, would you like that to actually be inside of the Neos Essentials folder and like the gadgets folder or whatnot?
Why not?
Yeah.
On. Use it.
So yeah. So we could actually add your folder inside of there right now because you've been kind of actively making out some really cool stuff inside of here. Let me find it real quick. Or do you have your public folder that you could just hand to me?
Okay.
There we go. So inside of the Neos Essentials, you guys, if you want access to any of Ghost's stuff, I'll be adding it inside of here right now on stream. So I'll be inside of the gadgets folder under ZET36 Void, and I added that inside of the gadgets folder, and then you guys can just access it and have all of the different cool content that he's been making out inside of his public folder, which I really love these, you know, the furniture items with the different stuff that he's been doing, including why don't we actually even show off this real quick too, because this is a pretty cool desk.
Yeah, that's a workbench.
Yeah, the workbench.
So it has it has a special computer that I modeled it right here, and we barely figured out how to use the UIX. So, firstly, you can configure the light, like make it green or different color, whatever you want, or toggle the color cycling. All drawers are openable through the computer.
Ooh.
Yeah,
And you can storage any stuff inside it.
And then show closing them with the buttons, because there you go. So try to open them again so they can see that. There you go. And what he's doing is he's just controlling it on this little panel right here, where you can just, you know, open up all the drawers and you can put stuff inside of there, as well as toggle the desktop surface, which that allows you to have stuff snap to the surface of the
Yeah, you
workstation.
can enable or disable the snap on the table. In the disabled state, it will glow like orange. And in enable, it's like cyan.
Yeah, and having access to this kind of stuff now, to where people can just go inside the folder, will be really awesome to be able to use it for whatever they want inside their worlds, to be able to like maybe work on stuff or have different things or different tools for their workstation in a way. But in VR, maybe even have something like this for
really cool.
once we have like the screen share option, we could have like it's streaming out games or whatnot. But that's what I probably do for mine right there. Faulty says, this is why Neos is my favorite VR game. Hey, there's many reasons why Neos is my favorite VR game. It's incredible. But
Exactly, I want this kind of effect after some... if you mix it correctly.
Oh yeah, they zooped you. But yeah, thank you so much for showing off your stuff, Ghost. This is some really amazing stuff that has been made out basically around the month of November, which adds into the stuff that's already been kind of done out. I actually even want to show off a few other items. Let's see what's inside of Gear Girl's toy shop that she's made out this month.
You really love me.
Alright, thanks.
Lots of love for you, dude. Okay, so one thing that has been made out this month is the Kablooey cannon, or the People Kablooey cannon, which is a quite beautiful invention done out by Gearbell. Another incredible thing. Why don't we shoot Frox out? Would you like to go through the cannon, Frox? Yeah, there we go. So we got Frox in the cannon. Let's bring this over here. Oh, and Frox also has his head bobble-flied. Okay, are you ready to go, Frox?
Yes.
Okay. Goodbye. Say goodbye, chat.
Aw.
Oh.
You launched him to the
yeah,
ceiling.
I kind of hit the ceiling. Sorry about that. Here, wait. Try to get on again. That kind of was a fail.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Oh, so yeah, try hopping in.
I want to click it.
Pip says this looks pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I can't because I'm
Can I
stuck
click
here, I
it?
think.
I think it's locked.
Is
I'm
it?
here
Oh, is
too.
it locked? Oh,
Hold on.
here, wait. Try to click it now.
Okay, I should be able to click it now.
Oh.
Okay.
Help me goes.
That's a joy.
Better than mine.
Okay, your turn, Fruxy. Goodbye.
Boy.
There he goes. Wow, they went far. Oh my gosh. And this is also an item that's inside of Gearbell's toy shop in the gadgets folder that anyone can have access to and kind of like move around and orient and fire off, you know, their friends out of a cannon. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? It's fucking amazing.
It reminds me of New Super Mario Brothers, where whenever you found like a secret cannon, you could just skip to a different world.
Right?
And this is exactly what that looks like.
I mean, yeah, to be honest with you, I kind of actually want to leave this thing here now inside of here, and then just like people will come over here and they'll just be like, what the heck is that? And then just get over there real fast and easy. Oh, Adderite, thank you so much for the 100 bits. Thank you for that. Very kind of you.
By the way, about active items, you can use that crate and you can like believe it by yourself. But be careful.
Skip it button, dada.
Wow. Amazing. I'm literally now pushed into the wall. The root box. Yeah, definitely.
I just used my grenade, which will do the skibidi sound, and while it was active, I put it inside crate. And everybody who tries to open crate goes skibidi wee.
Yep, just another day in Neos, as usual. Rampa says you shoot people, but now try it yourself next. Oh, fair enough. I mean, sheesh.
It is.
Okay, let's go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, and you're gonna spin me. Really? While I'm being launched. You guys are beautiful, truly. Yes, for any of you that didn't know, I can also fly with these wings. Woo.
How do you even get in?
It increases accuracy, I'm sure. 360 launching. But yeah, pretty awesome items and such inside of here. We'll probably still be showing off more things that people have had for creations out for this month, which we're going to be actually traveling off into a new world to show off one of the first worlds that are for the month of November. So let me actually bring that up right now under the features tab and bring up which one would be for the month of November. There's some Kamehameha going on. That's what's going on. Right. Nice river you have there. Yep. I mean, that's how this is all, you know, sustainable energy, our facility here. It's not damaging the planet at all because it's all in VR, you know.
I guess you could say damn.
Oh my gosh. Thanks, Mario. Can somebody explode him, please? Also, Renari, thank you so much for the Twitch Prime subscription. Shift TGC says, the more I see of Neos, the more ideas I get that I want to try, and the more work I guess I'm giving myself. Very true. There's so many amazing and incredible things that could be done out and made out here inside of Neos that basically your imagination is the limit. Which, that's the incredible thing. Right, Proxy?
Hello.
Hello.
Another place.
Yeah, it actually looks pretty good out there. I like the mushrooms that you added too.
Yes.
Prox added some mushrooms out there. Looking good. Also, Will, thank you for the 5 bits. Thank you for that. And Dr. Frank, thank you for the Twitch Prime. You're awesome, dude. I believe that's the Dr. Frank that we have here inside of Neos, who is an absolutely amazing person inside the community. Helps out quite a lot of people, and he's a really cool dude. Yes. So, I guess we can kind of like show off the first thing, which was kind of like our big thing that we showed off for last week, which was the Dell VR, but we weren't actually able to show off the advanced table world area, which I'd actually like to show that off. So why don't we go inside there, and I'll also run very well too.
Oh, That'd be nice.
So anyone that would like to join, you can just click on the bubble. Oh wow. Thank you so much, Snooper, for all those gifted subs. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's he gave us 10. Thank you so much, Snooper. Very kind of you.
Whoa.
Also, Rallynish, thank you for the follow. All of those subs and bits really do go to help out Neos, and it goes directly to helping out the development. So thank you for that, guys.
Oh, it's like a D&D thing. That's awesome.
Yeah, this is a complete D&D board. Last week we showed off the whole thing that Dell VR have been doing here inside of Neos for having D&D inside of VR, which I think is the best way that you probably ever do D&D, because it's all, you can have such immediate access to change stuff here in the environment. Are you guys rolling the dice?
Here, let's do 50 at once.
Also, hello, Jerry. Nice to see you.
Oh my god.
Hey, Nick, what's up?
Hey.
Look at that.
Say hello to the stream.
How's it going? You guys eat any food today? You better eat. And you better hydrate.
Yes, definitely hydrate. You need it. But I'll bring chat inside of here so then they can abuse you.
Oh no! Be gentle, please.
Be gentle, please.
Be gentle.
Oh, yeah. Also, 197 something, thank you for the follow, and Luigi Sake, thank you for the follow too, and Haru Maki, thank you for the follow as well.
Curtain got exploded.
That's as gentle as
Very kind of you guys. Also, there was a Twitch Prime subscription by Rallynash. Thank you for that. Thank you for using that Twitch Prime. Here, let me get zoom in on that. Oh, that's a lot of rolls that you guys got on that one. How many rolls do you have on that dice? Is it like 500?
Oh no, you have to close it. Oh, thank you. I think you can actually hit some. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to grab the other one.
That's the beauty of distribution like that. Is it
Who wants 5,000 dice?
based on averages? You'll be close to that value.
Oh my gosh.
You can hit about like I want to say 100,000 until it starts lagging. Wait,
Oh
what's
my
the limit
God.
that
That's
it
a lot of
hit
numbers.
until it starts lagging?
Okay.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Numbers.
50,000.
Have people
50,000?
complimented
Oh.
your text?
If anybody was doing this many rolls for D&D, I would be concerned.
Alright,
I would be like, I don't think I would want to play. I don't think I want to play that D&D game.
You should be proud of your dynamic.
Oh my
text
gosh,
editor
Snooper, thank you. Wow, thank you for the 2,750 bits. Thank you so much, Snooper.
Holy shit.
Whoa. Boy, guys, you're lagging me doing that. No.
That's a lot of
Do not do 50,000, please.
Nope, I've reduced it.
Are you trying to crash me?
Oh,
Like, cause you're gonna do it by doing that.
apologies.
My gosh.
Just trying to give a heads up. Nobody said anything.
No. We're removing those ones. keep the dice rolls low, you guys. Oh, and look, Chris is actually here with us as well. Welcome, Chris.
Hey, man.
Chris is one of the developers for the Dell VR and the project for the D&D, doing out mostly the logics. Yes.
I would
Yes.
clap too, but I don't have.
It's all good.
The can I thank you for the Twitch Prime subscription? Thank you for that. No crushing necks? Oh.
Hey, Chris.
Not crushing, crashing.
With an actual credits list.
Pibzoria, thank you so much for the follow. But yeah, so the let me show off a lot for this board. We'll actually get in a we'll unpack a potion, and I'll grab it from their public folder, which they have inside of this world. And again, this world is called Dell VR Advanced Playing World. And you can grab any one of their public folders and save it to your inventory, and then there's all the different content that you'll need to start getting started to making your own boards inside here, including builder packs. So let me bring in a tile set right now. Hello.
Thanks.
Hey.
We released our first pre-release tile set today, so yeah, anyone from Explorer Rank.
You want to show it off? You want to show it? This is all a stream all about for showing off the month of November of community creations, if you want to bring it in.
I mean, you can spawn it in your Explorer, so
Oh, is that where is it at?
it's inside the Patreon folder.
It's in the
Really not
Patreon.
cheating?
Oh, I see. There's a Patreon folder now. Ah, okay. That's pretty cool.
Oh,
So
I just
so
realized
basically you have to be a
this sounds
Patreon on your guys' thing in order to actually see that folder at all.
You wouldn't want to accidentally
It's just to spawn anything with it. So if a non-Patreon tries to spawn it, it will delete itself immediately.
Nice. Well, let's unpack the potion.
Ooh. Is that the case?
I'm trapped.
Cool.
Yeah,
Oh,
these are
sorry. Did I? These are caves. Yes. Thank you.
This is my life.
Thank you, Chris. You're gonna make me cry. I was wanting caves so bad, and now you fulfilled my dream.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm gonna cry, you guys. I'm finally gonna have my crystal caverns.
You love me.
Yay!
You really love me.
What's at the end of that cavern next? The Guardian? Is it a dungeon boss?
Oh yes, there must be a boss there. Maybe some sort of like dragon priestess goddess or something like that. Mm-hmm.
Wait. Oh.
That's awesome.
What is it like
You
what
like
you're
be
looking
you could be in the world. That's awesome.
Yeah, you just shrink
the wall
yourself
my
down.
way.
If you shrink yourself down, everyone inside of Neos has access to shrink themselves. You just open up your hand menu, go to scaling enabled, and then press both grip buttons, and you can scale yourself down to any size.
If everyone's tiny on the table, then the DM can
Cave
actually
in! Ah!
God.
Yeets.
I mean, being a dungeon master is just another word
See,
for
look,
God.
there's even like little crystals already inside of here. This is perfect. This is
Oh,
great.
really? Ooh,
Yeah.
wow, that's awesome.
Like I want to do the crystal set inside and really like add into it now. And like, ooh, look at this this one right here. Ooh, this is where where the boss battle's at right here. I'm telling you.
for sure.
This is where we do
Or
the boss
maybe
battle.
like...
Shadow of the Colossus.
Snooper's like, please add more light. Okay, I'll spawn in a light for you. I have
Look
to,
at the
dude.
torch.
Oh,
The torch.
oh, thanks.
Brooks has got you covered.
Is that better with the lighting?
Wow.
Then this is the end. Oh, there
Yeah,
it
it's
goes.
obviously a tile set to build out, different various,
I've
but having
spoken to
crystals
the...
is
Oh
so-
god, it's so big!
It's massive.
It's colliding
Yeah, I
with
just
me.
saw that.
I didn't think
Adderite-
filling up the
that
chat would
is-
scale up the letters.
Adrai is basically a giant name for us right now. It's just flooding us over. So thank you for that tier 1 subscription. Very kind of you.
Adroit is now God because of the tier 1.
Chat is always comes first. It's always all about you right now, chat, because we're streaming
Oh, yeah,
out to
makes
you. We
sense.
love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
What's this little guy?
Oh, I just said that I'll be in like here in the background because I'm coding a Discord bot.
What's this little guy?
Another
He's
light.
angry.
Oh yeah, Chris.
An angry little boy.
I'm currently talking to a developer that made like a pack for like skyboxes, like 200 plus skyboxes.
Shift says, I have a question.
for,
Why is
like-
everyone I've seen related to Neo so far so wholesome? Or
Alright.
like, you mean like kind? Yeah, I mean people are just nice to each other inside of here. It's a very small community, so if people are rude to each other, they usually don't last that
Look how
long.
this glow.
We've already had a few cases too, so promise you it happens.
Sniper TF2.
Hello,
Ooh,
Fritz.
I really like how that
I've got a
shines.
British torch.
Oh, spooky.
These caves are looking beautiful, I have to say, and I cannot wait to actually.
It really shines nice. Yeah.
I kind of want to now after stream just mess around with this tile set now and build out the real crystal caves that I
Got your
want.
light. Oh.
Have you attempted a one-shot or a D&D session yet with it, or?
No, I haven't even played actually
Aw.
the D&D.
Really?
Yeah. No.
Oh, it's so fun. It's such good roleplay. Seriously, I had so much fun when we did the one-shot.
I would love to. I would love to eventually. I might even set up like my own event, and as long as there's some people there to help teach me. Because
Well,
I'll need help.
I know it comes down to you either choose the DM or you choose the play. Finding somebody who can DM is usually a lot more comfortable. If you want to DM, feel free, but typically you have the wonderful
I feel like I
aspect
should be participating in the thing at least first, my first one, and not being a
Yep,
dungeon.
I felt the
master.
same exact way.
Right
so.
away.
Also
Dungeon
probably-
master after maybe like 3 games. 3 and then I'll be the dungeon master. Right, Tomo?
Yeah, good idea. I recommend getting some player experience before DMing, although some people do just start off by DMing for players straight away.
Yeah.
You
That's
never
the good
learn
story
how to
markers.
We're
God on
already
the
saying
first
D&D
day.
stream.
Yep.
We might even actually do some off Friday stream
That'd be cool.
nights of like game nights of that. I would love that.
Ooh.
That sounds awesome. Yeah.
I think we could definitely have some time for that. Maybe like every other week, just like playing a D&D game.
One thing I wanted to mention about this, 'cause I just noticed while you're going around, and I put together the tile set over the past few days. The cool thing with these caves is they're all set up using a layer system. So some of them obviously go downwards and upwards, and they have elevation. But all
Wait,
the
what?
points, if you're using the layer system, they connect to each other, so you can build out massive connected caves with these.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was seeing, that there's all those like different holes and doors, but the fact that
Yeah,
it's,
they
like,
all just
if they snap all together, that's wonderful.
Yeah, it's so good.
I
It's,
was
you know,
actually
thanks to
curious.
having a
I had a
patron, we can do
question
it.
for you specifically. How do you add on a second layer? Like, you know how you can add on another top? Like, how do you add on that other top one again?
Yeah,
So
sure.
that you're-
If you follow me, I'll give you a showcase for it real quick. I'll just
yeah,
show you how the layers
just because I was trying to make some buildings before, and I had one that I had saved, but then I was like, I kind of need another layer. So how would I do that?
So here we've got our two layers, right? Oh, let me turn on my lasers. There we go. We just click new layer up here. It'll make a new one. So we've got global layer 2. They always get numbered in increments. And then obviously you can change them. You can rename this layer. So
Oh, and then you
let's
set
just
the
call
layer
it
height.
roof. Yep, and you just set the height. So
So
bees.
I'll fight him. I'm
Truck's
big
got
enough.
these.
I'll take him one-on-one.
But yeah, if you just set the layer height here. So for example, I think the tile set. Yeah.
so that one is set to 0, or wait, no.
Yeah,
actually,
so
like-
it is started. It does start at 0, but it can bug out and come out with a random value. But it will
Right.
always be 0 technically.
So would you set the other
and
one to
then-
1? Or
Yes, you can go 1, 2, 3. It depends on the layer because obviously there's different heights for different tiles. So it will be dependent on each different tile set that you're using. So if you use multiple, you might need to have multiple height controller layers.
My eyes glazed over this, and I actually didn't see the. Now I understand it.
Yeah, it's simple enough. I think in the future we're going to be trying to implement a different system for it, but we still want to like emphasize that the layer system's the best way to control, your heights. And if you're doing roofs, then you can have them separate and toggle them on and off just easy. So yeah, all you do is once you've gone to make the roof, you just make sure you have that layer green, and you start taking your pieces and building them out, and then set your height, and you're good to go.
This makes me smile. And I'll definitely do that now now that I know how the layers work. That's just based on numbers. For one would be each section of it.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming there's like.
Yeah, actually, let me bring in a lot of light inside of here so you guys can really see the tile set that they.
Let's keep this one here.
Here,
Essentially,
wait,
these
are you
all
able to
modular
equip this,
caves,
Tomo?
so-
Okay, or
let's have a look.
can you equip a light? Probably not.
No, because
Yeah.
I'm not the world host.
Oh,
so
that
mine's
that
not
works
set up
though.
that way.
Now I can really see it. Let me turn up the lights. Yeah, these are really nice. Like looking at it, like I could imagine
let me try and
if we added some like point lights and like glows to different areas. Ooh, that looks nice too.
There you go.
Whoa.
Oh, look at this, all this space right here. This area right here. Look at that. That's
You
could put like water right here, and you could have this be like a water. Actually, yeah, this could be perfect for a waterfall because there's even the whole opening and just rushes in some like water or something like that.
Is that a really cool bit over there?
Fall down into the dungeon from here. This is where it starts.
Another.
Is that, or we could have
If
lava.
you don't manage to break your legs, then.
Look over here.
Undertale D&D. Let's go.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
god.
Little boy.
Anything is possible.
Oh yeah.
Let's look at this bit.
Oh,
Okay, there's like multiple like levels.
that's cool.
It's like a narrow passage here.
This is really nice as well. Look at this one.
Ooh, rickety bridge. I love rickety bridges. And before it falls off.
I like how you can just see tiny church just like, going through.
I could imagine like this feels really
Oh.
like you're going through kind of like a real dungeon in a way, or like
Oh, no.
area environment. You're like gonna run into the trolls that are right here.
Run! You gotta run!
Oh no, the monster.
Oh, are
No.
these the
Oh,
monsters?
wait.
Yeah, these are the trolls. The
No,
fluffy
you gotta get away.
trolls. Fluffy.
Careful.
Uh-huh.
Rebel says, by the way, next I have another idea. How Neos Museum could look, take the old hubs, put the museum content in them, and then connect them using some sort of time machine. Sure, why not? Actually, it'd be cool if we even had like a time machine in Neos. And it just like resets the
that
world.
would be cool.
It's like you could mess up the whole world and you're just like go back like 5 minutes.
Consideration.
Oh, yeah, that'd be cool.
Right, and just like it just basically does undo.
Just the Frankified version. It's got
No, it's just like
the classic.
yeah, you got like big boss
Some extra
vibe right now,
button,
so it's like
color scheme. That's it.
Yes, Pierre, we always have to pat the monster. We don't want to show fear or anger towards monsters. We want to show them love, and then we'll discuss them because they don't like love. And then they'll be, and then once they're repelled, then they won't bother you anymore. That's how it works.
oh. Oh, there's water here too.
I like how this is just a.
So this is that part where, you know, one of your members like shoves them off the side and then they fall and they break their leg and they actually still survive. So,
It's
you know, that looks like that kind of pit.
Spooter.
And this one is the one that you do die in.
Snack, you won't eat it, right? Okay, what do you want?
No, not me.
You want to eat
Ooh,
it?
look at this one. This one's got a lot of crystals inside this one.
Wait, no. Wait, Veer. It's kind of cool.
Amazing.
Use some illusion magic.
Oh god. Oh no, what do?
That's actually cute to watch.
Expecto
Oh,
Patronum.
Mario!
Roll a d20 for a dexterity save.
Hey, Dr. Frank.
Hey, Dex. I've been meaning to ask you. Would you be interested in going through the map I've been working on?
Sure. Yeah, if you want to show me some stuff.
I don't know yet. It is just in games. It's Polyferum demo 1.3.4.
More like I gotta run.
I actually just added some things to
Yeah,
it.
bring
hopefully
in
they've loaded
the
it.
session orb.
Wait, I know what to do.
Sure.
Explode.
Oh. I'm sorry, Mr. Spider.
But yeah, so this tile set, though, again, you guys, is fully exclusive for being a Patreon for the Delve VR project. But they also just have their public folder for free, which has other tile sets inside of there that are complete access and completely free to use. So you guys can check that out, because for sure I think that this is going to bring in a lot of different type of D&D communities, or just people that are just in general want to do roleplay in VR. And I think that people just naturally do role play anyways while they're inside of a virtual reality space. Because you're immersed inside of it, you're looking around and you're feeling like you're in a different space.
It really does add another layer to it, I won't deny.
Definitely.
It really...
And,
sorry.
It puts you inside
it really does add another
story.
layer.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to check out Dr. Frank's poly... How do you pronounce it? Polyferum?
Oh, I was looking at that, yeah.
Yeah. Let's head inside
I
there.
haven't seen that yet.
Oh,
Yeah, I have never seen it before.
Spider's
no,
gonna join us too.
Oh, I can already see I'm in another avatar. Something
It
different.
does force you into a spectator because of the way it's set up. So
Too bad about this time, boy, I can't
Look,
do anything.
I normally aren't able to use my index hands. Look, I'll do I love you to you guys. Love you.
Too bad I'm not a desktop boy.
So who should be playing is the real question.
So your goals are to collect as much scraps as possible and to make it through the facility intact. When you or one partner are ready, walk through this wall and decide who class spectate. When two players, a class remainder spectators, and receive no clip.
I was gonna say
Okay.
next,
So
who do
wait,
you
is
want your
this-
player 2 to be?
Who do I want player 2 to be?
Yeah, probably pick Frank's.
Yeah.
Explain stuff along the way.
I think Mario is
I
like
can't do
wanting
it.
to be me, like pick me. I don't know. He's like getting super
Alright.
excited, so I guess I'll pick Mario.
that works out.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just spectate then, since I don't think I'll be able to play this.
You can't.
I
do
have no
desktop.
idea what I'm
It's
doing. Wait,
not
is this?
compatible at all? Actually.
Wait, is this that like Among Us type thing? Is this that's what this is?
No.
This is a 2-player co-op puzzle campaign.
It's a 2-player co-op puzzle campaign. Okay.
Think Portal. Think Portal.
Think
I imagine
Portal.
we'll figure it out as we go.
Not
Let's
quite
go.
Portal, but
I guess.
inspired by.
Can we just walk? Oh, okay.
Okay, time to be smooth brain.
Seeker.
Alright, next.
I'll be
Alright,
blue.
Mario, which one do you guys want to be?
Wait, let me read it first. So we got the Seeker, the Constructor, wielding the nail gun, a powerful tool that can accurately shoot nails at targets and explosive barrels. Seeker can call down helpful objects with the laser designator. Simply tap the gray strip on the side of the nail gun to open the shop. Cool. I like
For
that.
the sake of the stream, I would say you'll probably want to equip Buster because he's more interesting to play at the moment.
Fair enough. I like that. I'll also set you to broadcast too, Dr. Franklin. You can.
I
say
just
stuff.
tried to click Seeker and I don't know what. Oh,
Okay, so Buster, the Reclaimer, test bed for the experimentally powerful Razar. The Reclaimer can grab and move objects as if they were weightless, flip the switch and pull the lever all the way, and the Buster can recycle objects for scrap, which can be used in the shop for valuable assets. Oh, godly. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs. But yeah, this already, I love the layout for this, and I love that you're set to these default characters when you come to Cypher. I really like it when game worlds do that, because then it's like, people can be, everyone that's inside this world now, it's running like, I'm running at 42 frames looking at all of you, so that feels great. Also, yeah, Wilson, thank you for the gifted sub. Thank you for getting that. Okay, so I'll actually hop into this one. Is this guy pretty easy to use, and you're saying that he's pretty interesting?
He's more fun, and the puzzles are more designed around him at the moment.
Sync, scrap, recall gun. So I got that on me, guys.
How do I actually
And
load?
do I just walk through?
There are.
Yeah, now you can walk through. You weren't able to before. Everyone else should have a notebook. If my context menu loads, I would be able to check.
So you're gonna play through? Okay, so I guess I'm over here on this side. He's over there on that side, and I think we're trying to get over that. Is that what we're trying to do?
Ah, that's cool.
I guess here, let's see. Using the razor, point the razor at one of the objects within this range. When the lights at the end of the anti-gravity arms turn green, press your primary button. You can now use the handle to manipulate how far the object is from you. The hologram can manipulate the rotation. Drop the object with your secondary button. Flip the switch and pull the object all the way in the scrap. Flip the switch and pull the object all the way in to scrap it. These barrels don't give you any scrap, but they're good for target practice. Okay. So I reached over my shoulder to actually grab the weapon. So let me actually show that in a third person. So, ooh, whoa. Oh, look kind of cool. Not gonna lie. I like it. Oh, wait, did it? There we go. Ooh, and it's wobbly. Let me equip that. And I guess I'll shoot it out. Oh. Yeah, that's really cool.
Grav gun. It's more like the physics gun.
It's the physics gravity gun.
Yes.
I think so. How would I bring it back and like use it for scrap?
The big lever on the left side.
Big lever on the left side.
This thing.
Oh.
That's grabbable.
Oh. Oh. Okay. And I'm pulling it in. I
Yep.
see.
And there's a switch right here.
Oh. Scrap toggle. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, scrapped it.
So how do I scrap things, or can I just?
You can't. That's your teammate's job. If you could do everything, it wouldn't be any fun.
Okay, well I got some scrap. What now? What exactly can I do with the scrap?
Your teammate can use it to buy things from his shop.
Okay, here. Oh, you got a little shop.
You should probably get those objects out of the way first.
Oh, for sure. That's kind of fun. It's like cleaning up my room, but in the way that I always wanted.
Or just... I'm actually... Oh, here we go. How do I actually do this now?
You have something selected? Just pull trigger where you want it to go.
Let's get that table. Table, you guys, come on, let's
That's
go.
interesting.
Scrap
Why
the
aren't your
table.
laser on? That's weird.
Hopefully we don't need
You'll
the
notice those crates look a bit similar to something that you guys looked at earlier.
Let me turn off the scrapping.
Yeah, pointed at the wall. Well,
See if you can try fixing this real quick. Can you even grab it?
Hmm?
I accidentally dropped it right there.
Oh.
And it's like... Yeah. Oh, you can't actually grab it. Good. Okay, just flip it over real quick.
Flip it over. Okay.
Yeah.
yeah, here, I'll just show you. So, this hologram on the left side, if you grab that while you're grabbing something with a razor, you can rotate it. It copies the rotation of the hologram.
Oh, wait, what do I do?
So if you grab something with a razor, like the box.
Oh, wait, are you talking to Mario?
No, I'm talking to you next.
Oh, wait, what am I doing?
Grab something with a razor, like this box.
I'm assuming that I now just have to throw this.
And then grab this with your other hand and rotate it.
Oh, that's cool. So this is a rotation tool, like right here, is to have more accuracy to rotate it how you want. And I'm just bending my hand with this little rotation object, and I can manipulate it to be how I want. That's so cool. I love that.
Yes.
That's really awesome.
Hey.
I like the stuff that went into this, though, and also the fact that it feels different for collecting objects.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me turn on the scrap again.
You think? Pull it up a bit.
Next, I kind of need your help.
What do you need my help with?
Yeah, we need to pull it up a bit.
Okay.
The ladder.
Yeah, there you go.
That works. Okay. Climb up.
I can climb up now? Okay.
Yep. Also, don't forget there's HDVR style inventory things on the sides of your head.
So I can give you some scrap, though. How do I give him the scrap?
It's automatic. It just
Oh,
syncs.
it's automatic. Oh, it's sync. Oh, cool.
Yeah, it syncs automatically.
That's
Alrighty.
awesome.
So how long is this anyway?
Good question. I can't just tell you how to do everything.
We got some music.
It was Enji's choice. I don't actually know where he got it, but it's good. No idea what it's from.
Yeah, let's get some more scrap. Razor tips. If the light's at the end of the anti-grav arms turn blue, you can move the object but not scrap it. Additionally, continually holding the trigger and the rate at which the items are scrapped will increase significantly. Music is just a little...
Oh.
Hello.
Perfect. Did I leave these duplicatable?
And I have to agree, Polished Circle, this
I
is
did.
very
Interesting.
awesome. Enjoying this very much, just scrapping a lot of this stuff.
Yeah, that thing. That's supposed to do that. I originally had limited ammo in mind, will later, but at the moment I was just like, whatever, have infinite, I don't care.
Door.
But I like scrapping everything. What do you mean?
Yeah, fair enough. Whatever.
You scrap the door?
Open door? Oh, wait, hold on. Maybe I need to use the explosive that I got.
Oh yeah, explode open the door. That's your job, my dude. I did all the cleaning. Now you do your thing. Do your techie stuff.
Jeez, that lags a lot.
Wait. There's a button over here. Or no, that's
Oh, that's just a light.
Oh, that's a light. Oh, never mind.
You may have noticed that sometimes when you try and scrap things, kind of teleport around weirdly. That's because I don't understand how half of the logic on that works, specifically the half that controls that. So I need to redo it.
Why does it?
Frank, I feel you.
Okay.
I feel you wholeheartedly, Frank. I've been
When I was building it, I literally like just plugged in things randomly for 4 hours, and I got it to barely work.
Hey. It works.
You probably need that. You probably because it had the box right there. It wasn't as close up to the door. Maybe. I don't know.
I like that little jingle with the shop.
Why does it lag every time I freaking do that?
These technicians.
It duplicates a lot of things.
Did we give him a hint, Frank?
Yeah, I think I might need to give you a hint. You might need to look up and to the left.
What are we doing with that? Is it maybe try shooting that one?
Okay, is there? Oh, I can't actually.
Do you shoot?
I'll just take this with me.
Shoot it with your gun.
Wait,
Shoot it with your gun.
Yeah, I got it.
There you go.
Oh yeah, Stoom sound effects. Let's go.
Careful. When you do around trucks and well.
No, I got it.
Oh, this is I can't scrap this, can I?
Load it back up.
Back the heck up.
Oh, are you gonna shoot that? Oh, fair enough. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
This barrel's invincible, don't worry about it. Or it's actually over there. Cool.
Oh, cool.
Okay, well,
Sure, let's just ignore
that was...
It's a built-in feature. Yeah, it had the wrong juice in it.
Yeah. That's a teleport juice. Let's go, chair. Huh?
Put a couple extra nails in the wood.
Make sure that door's really stuck.
Yeah. Exactly. I guess that's not what I'm supposed to be doing. Anyway, next, you need to get the platform.
Oh, I need to get the platform? Okay, here, wait, let me turn off the scrap toggle. And then let me rotate the object. Yeah, I know. I got this. Here, wait, let me just...
Yeah, just do that. Oh.
Yeah, sometimes it's weird to get an angle with that. Use the lever to push it further away from you.
Use the what?
Use the lever so you can push it
Oh,
away
yeah,
from you.
yeah, that's true. But I gotta bring it over.
Yeah, it's just like Gmod if you played Gmod before.
Yeah, but it's a little bit different, my dude. Because I'm using my actual hands here.
It's the same basic idea, though.
Oh, hush.
Let's go, you got it.
Okay, yeah.
You did it.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So maybe I gotta. So I'll bring it up
Oh,
and
yeah,
then.
you grab the explosive barrel and put it up there.
Yep. Let me get it up there and you shoot it. Hey.
Yes.
Pro. Let go.
Hold on, I got a freaking.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's go, you guys. Let's scrap this stuff. Scrappy scrap. Oh. Come on, get over here. Let me scrap this. Do I have to pull you in? Okay, I'm just pulling you in.
Definitely have to try this roll
Try.
once I get VR.
I gotta be sure to get.
Unfortunately,
I gotta be sure
you
to
can't
get those,
actually play the desktop
achievements.
because you use the lever on the side, you can't use the switches.
Yeah.
Oh, there's something.
I need two hands.
Ooh.
If you
Oh, is that?
really
Am I not
want,
supposed to
you
jump
could
down there?
probably-
Oh yeah. Wait. Oh no. This is. This is the death water.
There's an exit for me.
You hold the gun backwards.
I need to get it. Yeah, it's a platform.
Yeah.
Oh, you need that
We
object?
need it. Yeah.
Oh, that platform.
I don't think you can. Yeah.
Here, let me zoom in
You
on
might
it.
need to get over there.
Okay.
There's a freaking
Yeah,
zoom.
no, I can't reach that one.
Much range.
Yeah. I can grab these things over here though. Maybe.
That's probably what we need.
No, I can't. No, we can't grab those either. This is probably what I need right here. Let's see what this is.
I mean,
Wait,
you try grabbing the
that's
actual
supposed
option.
to. Okay.
This is a certified zero physics moment.
Wait, what?
So
Yeah,
I will say,
I'm
this thing looks kind of useful, and I feel like we've seen one of these somewhere before.
Yeah, you definitely need communication for it. That's for sure, Pierre. Wait, is it
next, rotate that.
rotate the
I'm gonna try to, yeah.
Oh, hey, ladder. Would you look at that? I wonder where that came from.
Tell us if I freaking
Wait,
spawned
what
it,
are we?
and then we had to
What are
climb.
we? Where do you want the ladder? You want it to there?
Right? There's like 50 horizontal like that way, so I can jump across.
Should be good enough.
Careful. Doesn't need to be exact. Okay.
You want to do it? Okay. Bye. Nice one, dude.
There was a wait.
Nice one. Real good. Wow, that was amazing. Because you know, ladders do have holes in them. Just so you know.
Maybe if you keep.
Oh look! Hey,
Is
look,
it
he's
Mario
climbing.
got it?
Yeah, he's climbing them.
Hey.
Third time's the charm. So now, get yourself up there.
Can you? Oh shit!
There he went.
He did it hard mode.
That's actually some flexing.
That's right.
Noise. Real noise.
That's actually some legit flex. Everyone should know that that was a
all the time normally.
Oh,
so I'm
there you go.
serious
capable
flex.
here.
Get up here.
I keep accidentally grabbing the
That is a
nugget.
way you can do it. That is definitely a
And
solution.
before we get like Minecraft platforming maps
It works,
on here,
though.
it's
That
like,
wasn't
that's a
the
platforming
solution,
thing.
but it works.
It's a legit platforming thing.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
It was pretty
Not
cool.
gonna lie.
Anyway,
Okay,
you
what
should
is-
probably
what-
get
what-
that ladder over there now.
Okay.
So we can actually get the other stuff too.
Ray, thank you for the tier 1 subscription.
Mario, what did you pick up?
I don't know what we're.
Let me check. I wasn't paying attention. I got a catwalk.
That might make things a little easier.
Yeah.
Condescending. I don't
By-
have enough
by that.
scrap. That's why I was talking about it.
Rip whoever was on that ladder. Yeah.
That was me. I'm back.
Rest in peace.
So, wasn't there a thing that looked like a catwalk somewhere before that you guys?
Yeah.
There, oh yeah, there's that one over there.
No.
Genius.
Oh, you mean? Oh, grab this one over here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Sorry, I have to be told what to do. Wait.
Alright, we can make a tutorial for you.
I mean, if we want more tutorials, that's certainly something
You
I
could probably fit that down
You should
there.
probably get all that scrap too, just so I can spawn an actual catwalk because I don't have enough scrap to do it.
Okay, wait.
Puzzle games are hard, okay? They are.
Yeah.
They are.
Look, it probably doesn't help that I'm like a lead certified.
What, do you want me to go out there?
puzzle game, 'cause I stank
Yeah,
it
You
for
gotta,
the
because
scrap.
you gotta get the scrap.
Every
You're the scrapper.
thing that's, like, halfway
I feel like I
through.
could have jumped there
Really?
I
anyways.
played it when I was like
Just
10,
like even without the
so-
ladder, to be honest. But you know, whatever.
I don't know, the one thing I think is if I've ever done puzzles, the one thing I always recommend is
We're
like,
scrapping that stuff?
If like you have no
Yep.
idea what's happening, you need to figure it out.
I feel like I'm playing Half-Life Alyx all over again, where everyone is like, "Why aren't you grabbing over this?" or "Why aren't you doing that?" You're such a noob, next one. And I'm all like, I know.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do that.
I think that's all. Okay. Did you explode something?
No, it's not distant.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get back over there.
Oh no.
Like it matters is checkpoints.
It's a mana raft.
Insert bone shuffle.
Right? How it works?
Yes. Science mana.
Sure. Let's go with that.
Yeah, not that far. Yeah, but not
I do definitely need to rework the levers so that it like gradually ramps up how fast it moves it forwards and back based on where it is.
Yeah.
But that is math is hard.
It is. I did recommend when you were first doing, because a lot of us are used to lasers in here, instead of like having that physicality.
I could also just have an alternative, so like you can do it either way. Like I actually just made it so that you can drop things by double pressing primary attack or pressing secondary. It also means that you can walk with it now with your hand that it's sit as secondary in the
Nope, that ain't
I've got
gonna go.
enough for another one, so hold on. Oh!
What are you talking about, my dude? Oh wait, did you get back in? I'm sorry. Here, wait. Get over here on this one, my dude. What the fuck you doing? What the fuck you doing, boy? Get over here. Oh my gosh.
For some reason, did not think of such a big brain.
Duh! Like, come on.
I'm just gonna find out if
Let's go. We can also grab this one now. Ooh, this one's long.
Frank, that'd be a perfect achievement.
So it is. It's a long boy.
If you actually like just
Okay.
Wait, you can stand there while he's still grabbing it. That's awesome.
Wait, hold on. We can drop it.
Okay, let's scrap these guys.
Really does very well, but he drops it by being positioned.
This is actually quite a lot for an idea for a puzzle inside of here. I'm very impressed by this so far, Dr. Frank. It's really cool.
You're getting to the part of the game where it starts to actually make sense.
Yeah, I'm so Mango this is basically I'm collecting the scraps so then he can create stuff. He's like kind of like the maker, so he builds out some stuff that I need, and then I'm scrapping the stuff and it links up to him.
Well, yeah, you're
engineer.
Yeah, you're the engineer right now.
Check.
Oh,
right. I forgot. I can press this button because I'm tagged.
Wait, there's a timer though. Why is it ticking? That's not. What? But I think you can scrap stuff that you need though. I'm pretty sure you can. You can scrap like those walkways. But I can toggle it on and off so I don't scrap the wrong stuff. This world is called Polyferum Demo, and this is a demo world. Is this world published yet?
Oh yeah, it's completely published. It's actually been published for about 7 days, and I've pushed already like 10 updates.
Cool.
I've been adding stuff to it every single day.
We'll actually we'll actually feature out this world. This will be a really, so let's see. Yep, there it's at. I'll feature this one because this is a really cool place.
Sounds good.
Did I hear that the music was made by
I definitely need to like share this, man.
So I got the world featured now, you guys, and yeah, it's called Polyferum Demo. But yeah, definitely check it out, and then you guys can play with your friends. Plus, this feels a lot more comfortable. It almost has really like that Gary's Mod kind of feel, you know, going through here because it's you know, you're with friends, but you're still doing like this awesome stuff of playing a game.
I mean, you could argue that this is more like Synergy, if anything, because that's happened to multiplayer.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You had the scrap mode on when you were moving those catwalks, but yeah, yeah, I was just making sure they didn't go too far.
Those were the days where multiplayer still had only one function, or like only one animation for running, so like for walking you would just really slowly jog.
Do you have anything you can buy, Mario?
Probably. I mean, you got a bunch of freaking scrap, yeah. I got a lot of stuff that I could get.
Okay, well, something that allows us to progress through this area. I am...
I'm just gonna...
So that button's purple.
Blue plus red equals purple? Oh, so Mario, we both have to touch it. Come on. Touch it with me. No. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's not working.
Oh, I heard something.
Oh, wait. Did something?
Wait. What? That's weird. Oh wait, that was the crate.
Is this wall? Yeah. We in here for good. What?
Right above it.
What are you? What did you buy?
A cube. The suspension.
Put it over the button.
Oh, you. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I almost. Okay. I almost scrapped it.
Please be careful.
You're thinking this a tad.
Am I?
Didn't scrap it.
Wait, do I have to scrap it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops.
At least we can get the stuff back if we wait.
Backseat game rising.
Look, I know. Okay, you want a backseat game? I made this. You it's that times like 500. I want to tell them, but I can't.
Don't. But keep making stuff though.
How's that gonna help in this situation?
It's gonna make them more frustrated because they already know the answer to it. Wait, what's?
Yeah, we're making them infuriated because there's a wall here.
Wow, how observant of you. There's a wall over there, there's a wall over there, there's a wall everywhere. What do you mean?
Hold on. I think this wall is a quad because there's light coming through it. So there's obviously something back here. So we have to somehow get this wall to move.
Right, but we got buttons.
No, wait. Did you hit the second purple button over here? You hit the one against that other wall, but you hit this one together?
Yeah, see, so there you go. It spawned out another cube. Or, I don't know. Wait, touch this one. Touch this one together.
But it didn't even react.
Touch it. Yeah, it's not working. Why would it be that easy? What are you talking about? Get over here.
Yeah.
Here, we're scrapping this.
And the objects also didn't interact with the button, so I have no idea what the heck we're supposed to be doing.
You should be pressing the button.
But how?
You just pressed the button. Oh. Wait, what? What? Okay, well, I actually don't know what that is. This is supposed to be pressed by either of you. I've clearly destroyed the code in it, though, so I will just clobber that open.
So we were doing the wrong thing. We were pressing the button many times. What do you mean?
Okay.
We're not that daft. My gosh.
Okay. That is actually my fault. I
All
can't
good.
laugh at you for that one, so I'll just consume the door.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Wow. Don't worry, you guys. We got the developers here. So,
nice noises from Boneworks.
So Mario, do you got any, like, ginormous? Oh, this wall's open too. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh, hey, look, a portal puzzle. What
really hoping that these
Mr. Wednesday, thank you for the follow.
These are all broken.
Okay, so
clear this wall.
I also liked how the music played. I have to appreciate that a little bit for a second. Like, let me appreciate the music that just started playing to get us into the mode. Okay, you hear that? Not your music. That music sucked.
It's his song, bro.
That's his beats. These are my kind of beats. So it's playing right now. Let's go.
Overhead is broken again because I messed up the button logics and I didn't touch it. So when you get to the point where you need to press it, I'll just open the door.
All good in the hood, my dude.
I'll push an update. that'll fix that.
I am thoroughly enjoying myself doing this, just, you know, scrapping stuff. That alone, I could do that for hours. Did you shoot it? Did you shoot it with your gun? What? Did you shoot it?
I shot it with my gun. I'm assuming that's supposed to be.
Here, do you want me to bring this up to you so you can get up there?
I'll tell you, this proposal has some
Okay.
There you go. That's better. Okay.
So, is there anything back here other than scrap? Oh.
Nope, we scrapping. Scrap. True. Yeah, that's what we were doing. We were just using scrap. Oh wow. Amazing.
Easter egg.
We got an Easter egg here, you guys. We got an NG here.
Wide NG.
We found the pepperoni secret.
NG. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Well, I'm actually not tracking it. I'm just making notes. Mainly because there's so many bugs that it's barely worth using the GitHub.
I think you said the logic for this was broken. You said
No, it works.
This is working. This is working.
Wait, so wait.
Maybe
Okay.
maybe it's time.
Yeah, it probably. Yeah, so you gotta go. Be the one that goes down there, boy. You gotta shoot it, cause you got your gun. I'll be inside of here. No worries. I'm up here.
Okay, I'll just do some mad yeets to get back up here.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you miss.
Boy, you're missing. Come on, it's a bullseye. You can shoot. Oh, yeah, you got. Hurry, boy, get over here. Oh, that's
short. And that was a good shot. He was just like,
hey, that's okay, cause I got a button over here.
Oh, yeah, he really sniped that one.
Yeah, really did. That was really good.
Is this death? Do I die if I touch this?
No.
Okay.
A lot of people think that actually. I need a better glass texture. Just glass. Just so you can see where your teammate is.
Selection
And
probe.
this is the part where this doesn't work. Watch this. Oh yeah, woo, door open. Woo.
Oh, yay, because I pressed the button. And the button's for me.
Yeah, the door open. Ooh.
Very, very cool. Wow.
50 out of 127.
Jeez, that's
Oh,
really
it did my time? There was a timing for it?
No, there's no time. That's the available scrap.
Oh. Okay, cool.
I should time it though. That'd be interesting.
Right? That'd be cool to like have it be like a whole entire thing where it's like a little board. That could be,
Well, I'd like a leaderboard, but well, if I can switch to physical, which my context menus aren't loading. There we go.
Frank, you forgot to remove scaling.
Neos just kind of does this, so I should just be able to walk through this wall. If I really just try. Yeah, there we go. I'm on the other side. So it's kind of easy to chase the map if you really want to, which is why I didn't add a leaderboard. Because the map kind of relies on you not intentionally chasing it, because there's nothing I can do about this. It's just Neos colliders.
And how are the was the room itself, like the room's made with
All of this is prims. It's really bad.
Oh, really?
Would you like to see the world route and suffer with me?
Sure. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh my. Yeah, they got.
This is why this is a demo, and I'm redoing this from scratch.
I mean, it's not too bad. I thought it was gonna be a
little
little bit longer, but but you used the shape tooltip for this, right? Or did you use the like just flat boxes that we have in Neos, or the?
I genuinely just used like box prims from the actual
Dev
create new
tooltip?
menu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I really like that you did that.
I aligned them with math, so there's no Z fighting. So that took a little bit longer, but there's no Z fighting, and they're all like, let's see if I can find one.
That feels really that felt really amazing. It really felt like I went through like a whole campaign co-op VR game.
That's what I was going for.
And
it's a bit rickety to start right now. a bit rickety at the start, but it seemed like he started to get the hang of it.
Yeah, I think if this gets like even some more polishing through it and more stuff that you guys, I'm sure that are gonna add in for update, this could be like a really amazing game that people could come inside if you were to just play. And I even like the style of the characters that are and they're even using the new audio mouth.
Yeah.
Which I
Angie
love.
did all those. Angie is kind of something of a wizard.
Yeah.
He did all of the audio design on the. Well, I actually just have the credits over there, but a couple people helped me out with this project. Ryuvi did.
Angie did the music
menu.
too, right?
Angie did not make the music. He borrowed it. I can't say from where because I actually don't know. But we're having Nez Cryptic actually work on making some custom music.
Cool.
Cool indeed.
Yeah, that nobody uses. Very cool. And I have a little Discord server where I post stuff. Maybe I should link my.
And how is this gun design? Can you tell me about this? Like, was it also NG that built out kind of like the idea for the lever and the model
actually,
itself?
I think. Let me pull out the very first prototype for this. I still have it somewhere buried in my inventory. If I can find it. I kind of just concepted it and want you to go nuts.
Now since we're done, so see ya.
Alright,
Peace,
so yeah.
Jamar.
I just concepted it out with where did I save this? Got it somewhere in my inventory. I don't know where. I'll find it eventually. Yes, the dynamic bones add a lot to it.
Right, it wiggles. My favorite.
And you're not
portal
It wiggles.
Probably not portal folder, yes.
I mean, I just want something like this in real life, and people would be like, "What the heck is that thing?"
Yeah, and then you.
And then they're just like, and they're just shaking at their face. They're like, "Why is it wobble and wiggle?"
It's a stick wiggler.
Yeah. But
Something about this world seems to be broken as well because context menu load. I'm not sure what that is, but that will be fixed when I release chapter 1. The way I'm planning on releasing this map is in chapters, so I don't have to work on it for like years and then release it all at once. I'll be releasing like chapters where at the end you save your avatar and all of your progress is stored in your avatar. At the moment, this is like a standalone demo, so you don't have to worry about it, but it'll be a lot more detailed. I want to add turrets, proper respawn points, a lot of things. I have a lot of ideas.
Great. It would be cool to even have like in the item shop have like a shield that you could purchase to like block the turrets, and then you could have somebody like holding up the shield and blocking it as you're going through as like a scrap item that you can make. Like you could have even more complexer scrap items that would cost more that would do some cool effects or maybe even overpowered stuff.
Some things I want to do are make blue actually useful. I suggested you chose Buster, which is the class you're playing, because he kind of does everything. The puzzles weren't designed particularly well. It's a lot of like, kind of you watch your teammate do it, and then you proceed when they're done. And towards the end, like this puzzle, you actually both had to work together, and I want to do more of those.
Yeah.
But the way that this map is built makes it challenging, to say the least, to add more to it. So I'm going to start working on chapter 1 pretty soon. I'm just finishing up polishing the demo and the avatars, and then I will be working on chapter 1.
Sweet. Also, Mingo Dry says, I wonder, can you get stuck if you just use up all your resources?
Technically, you can get stuck if you manage to use up all of your resources and you scrap everything in the map. Otherwise, say, for example, at the catwalk area, you could get stuck if you couldn't buy a catwalk, or you could grab some physics objects like the cubes that you were supposed to scrap and build a bridge with those. I think it's pretty unlikely that you would manage to use up every single thing.
Unless you're trying to do it purposely.
If you purposely do that, then you're probably just going to have to reload the map. I'm not incredibly worried about it.
Yeah, considering how it was for that, and I also like that you had to like go back and use some stuff that was already there in the environment, and it definitely you know, maybe use, and hopefully you can get the buttons fixed up of how they press.
Yeah, that should take 5 minutes.
Yeah, and I like that idea of having both people press the button though. That's a really cool idea. Huh?
So these were the initial prototypes for your class's gun. This was before I really did too much. I was going to have like a hose on the back, and I thought it would need a lever on the top or
Pierre
something.
says, "Wow, if you purposely get stuck, you get stuck." fix immediately.
Wow, who'd have thunk? Literally unplayable.
Kind of unplayable,
Disgusting.
says CS:GO. Kind of unplayable.
This is actually not the finished avatar for your class. Let's say Seeker, the other avatar, the blue one, is the finished avatar because it has a proper design. And you actually made this one for me and never finished Buster's
Okay, just
avatar.
Take off your head, my dude. Here, can I
Sorry
see
about it.
that? I want to see your head. Yep. Of course, you always have to take Dr. Frank off for a journey.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See ya.
Goodbye.
I can't actually see through that one yet, so I'm just gonna have to guess where you're going.
Yep. I mean, that would be great if you could see through it. That would be wonderful.
It would take a little bit to set up, but I can't be bothered.
Who knows, right?
I'm
Maybe
lazy.
you can have the Seeker and the Bruiser swap.
Don't worry, I'll give you head
Yeah.
pads.
Only one
There
can
you
see
go. Enjoy
one
that.
thing while the other can see another.
Interesting. Oh, you mean like actually switch their viewpoints?
No, like, so they can swap the heads, but then the heads themselves can only see certain things, so you actually have to have the other person's body so they know what's going on.
Interesting.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
That could be interesting. I could do that.
You guys are looking great.
A couple things we were thinking about is like a dark
No,
area,
you.
because I wanted to give Seeker a flashlight.
Thanks.
You know, he has to
Oh, they cut them all.
You just like stick an item in there.
I'm gonna scrap you, Freaksy. Scrap.
You can't do that.
We're also thinking of a communication
I'm just kidding.
blackout
I would never
zone
do that,
where to communicate with your teammate, you get to go.
You can scrap me though. I'm not important.
Oh
Oh my god. Yep, unfortunately I can't scrap you though.
Oh man.
Could if I would.
Yeah.
All of my hopes and dreams have just died.
I'm sorry. What can we do to recover them?
Make me scrappable.
Oh, actually,
Oh, hell yeah.
that's possible.
Here, okay, here. Yeah, let's do it. Let's.
If you want to make anything scrappable, all you have to do is go to the roots. For user, you definitely want the user root, not the avatar root. Just add the tag. Scrap. Let's see, what should you be worth? Let's do
69.
Point
Oh, there it goes. He's selectable now. Oh.
69.
Goodbye.
Okay, are you ready to go?
There go all your dreams now.
Here, there you go.
Well, you're not gonna.
Bye, Godly.
Bye.
Bye.
There you go.
Delicious. Anyone else? No, just kidding.
Totally make that into a tooltip.
It was already recorded. We're streaming right now on Twitch.
I'm gonna put that in.
Yes, Twitch chat. I'm sure we'll clip it. Of user being dead forever for sure.
Dead forever.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Canadian Git, thank you for the Twitch Prime subscription. But again, who should we shout out again for all the credit for this world? Everyone that's.
Everyone on that list. Everyone on that list.
Okay, so we'll give out the shout out for the crates were made out by Ghost Z36, shot many by Ryuvi, lighting was by Maddie K, incredible sound design and modeling by NG, and the coding made and develop it, Dr. Frank. Thank you, Dr. Frank.
I've spent like 200, 300 hours on this. It doesn't look like it, but brain empty.
100% it looks like it's freaking awesome. What are you talking about, dude? Like I love this thing. This is a really cool and actually like one of the first kind of style of this kind of like puzzle maps. That
I just
feel
realized
really good.
I could add social stuff for these avatars, like high fives built into the hands. That would be really simple.
Luca, thank you for the Twitch Prime subscription. Thank you for that.
So what's next on the community docket? Next.
Yes, we
Frank,
shall
have
go
you
to
ever played Raptor?
the next world. You sent me a message. Is it a private message view or can I listen to on stream?
High fives and stuff.
Oh, it's fine. I was just thanking you for trying this world out.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Okay. Yeah, that's the whole point of this. You know, at the end of the month is try to showcase out as much stuff that is inside the community for the month, which we actually don't have really that too many worlds there actually for Alpha Beach. So it's good that we had something to go through. That was a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
I could just build this into the hands. But I was also thinking for the flashlight, there'd be a thing in your
Okay.
space. You have to just
What would be
kind
the
of
next world that we
give
can
one of
go to?
these. Turn on the flashlight.
No, what about something in the back?
Do you know what the movie
be
night
funny,
speed
actually.
racer is? I actually haven't been inside of that world before.
Feature?
It got
It's featured.
Yeah, I know it's featured, but I've never been in it
I'm
before.
gonna have to go
Who
and
featured
fix
it then?
everything.
I don't know.
I thought you were the only one who could do it. That's why.
No, I think that other people can do it, but I don't.
Anyone from the team can feature.
Yeah, anyone on the team has the access to feature.
A built-in feature that you can just slap each other, period, and it's just a slingshot.
Yeah, but just slap.
Do you show like the show?
Like you can slap each other's hands.
Oh yeah,
Japanese shop?
actually, yeah, that would be a cool one to show off.
Who needs a bridge? Just
So the Japanese community has made out using our fake currency, our KFC credits, to build out kind of like a shared project store where people could kind of like buy stuff. Think of it as kind of like a
Like if one of you gets across, it's good enough.
little shop area, kind of like a little shopping mall kind of environment. Here, I can't spawn out the world orb, but I'll start up a session. Would you guys be able to just join directly on me?
No, I'll just give you perms. I'll give you perms.
I get a perm. Oh, thank you. I've been needing a new hairdo.
There you go.
Thanks.
Should be able to spawn it out.
Cool. Oh, and thank you, Candy Cutie, for taking that clip.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I get to go update the map again. Let's go.
Woo! Thank you, Dr. Frank. Thank you for showing
No
it.
worries. I appreciate you going through it.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll actually go through it again when you do more updates to it, because I guarantee you, I'm sure you'll make more stuff done out within.
I'll let you know when it's worth going through a second time.
Oh heck yeah! Thanks, my dude.
I'll be getting VR soon, so hopefully I'll be able to go through this too.
Oh, nice.
Hopefully.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
if you're,
You gotta get VR. VR is incredible for Neos.
If you don't want to rely on just remembering, if you want to join the Discord, I post updates there for the map, and you can, discuss it. Like, hey, I think you should do this. Ooh, idea. I have no idea how to do that.
I can tell I'm loading into the other world.
I'm moving from lever.
Don't worry about it. That's intentional.
I know, I still.
I think we're frozen. Oh. It's probably a lot of assets that are having to be downloaded from inside this world, but that's okay. Oh, I also brought the gun. That's great. Okay. They probably actually added in even more stuff inside here, because the last time when I loaded this world, it had just like 1,000 something assets. Now it's like 2,000 something. So there's a lot of stuff that they put into this world. Also, Foiled No More, thank you for the follow. Nice to have you here at the Neos Twitch channel, the official one. Hello, Frooks.
Hello. Hey,
welcome. And I really like the concept of this world as it's still loading. But I like the concept of this world because they have a 360 image where you can kind of go out and go to different like little shop sections to keep it somewhat optimized inside of here. So let's say if I wanted to go out to this like little shop, I could just go right there and it's going to open up. And basically they've set it up to where you can buy stuff using the fake currency. So we have real currency, our NCR, to not get confused with the KFC, which the KFC is just completely fake currency. And you can use that to, do like little fun things like this, just selling objects and items inside of Neos for it. So, for example, what could I buy? I'll actually buy this thing over here. I'll buy another quill.
This thing.
Also, let me de-equip this thing. There we go. Thank you for your Operation Razor. KenQ says, never mind, it finally works. Oh, cool. Glad that it works for the orb. I'm still downloading stuff. What are you playing over there, Frox? So I'll buy this quill pen right here. So if I click on the buy button, I can choose to send a tip to them, and right now it shows kind of like a private UI of like continuing, and I can send them 500 KFC, which equals really nothing. But right when I send that money over to them, they have it set up with their system to where right when that payment is sent, it'll just spawn out the object right in front of me for an object that I can save, and it makes a nice notification sound, and I can grab onto now my new item. But I don't have permissions to equip it, but it's a really cool pen tool that you can use to draw with. And a bunch of other cool objects and items that they have set up inside the shop. They even have like a little fireplace here. Did you get one?
I got the fireplace.
You got a fireplace? Nice. And some
It's
lights that you can get, and beds.
Discussion.
Yep, as well as some really pretty art that they did right here. This like kind of crystal flower. I really like that. How much is this flower one? That one's 1,000? Sure, I'll get that one. Oh, actually that's not even for the that was for a tiger. I guess I bought a tiger and not the flower. Wait, what is this thing? Is this
0 KFC?
Enter anchor? Oh my gosh, I'm on it. Oh, hello. What the heck? Where am I going? Where are you moving it? Where the heck did I go? Ah. Well, that was interesting. I think I can, I don't know if I can save it or not. I'm trying to like click on it. But that still is pretty cool. And let me show off all the other shots.
It shrunk you.
It shrunk me? Oh, yeah, I guess you're right. It did shrink me. Also gotta see that. There you go. Oop.
Oh, that's where the turkey hat is from.
The turkey hat? Wait, there's a turkey hat here?
Yeah, the turkey hat. It's over here. It seems to be doing some kind of calling thing if you're not close to it.
Oh my gosh, the sound for that.
It's very annoying, isn't it?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Wait. Let me... Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Move your head up and down real quick. Perfect.
Yep. I'm sure a lot of people had a lot of this yesterday for that Thanksgiving dinner.
FC.
For me, we didn't really do that much of anything for Thanksgiving. Basically, probably one of the worst Thanksgiving meals I think I had last night. It was really bad. CSGO is a game says, is this world public? Don't know if I should turn on my VR. Yeah, this world is public. It's called, it's in Japanese, like the world's name, so it's kind of hard for me to like say, but it would be by the shared project for Millennium, and it should, if you type in social market inside of the search, you should be able to find this world. If you type in the all worlds and type in search, and it should be inside of social market, because this is kind of like a little KFC. Yeah, you can buy stuff with KFC. If you guys need any KFC as well, I can always send you some, because it's just a fake funny currency.
I think I have 1,000.
What is that thing? It's my new purchase. What are you talking about? It's beautiful.
Oh. I want to show the strange art.
I have to save this to my inventory though. This is such a
button.
You can even click on the turkey. Okay, don't spam it, boy. Fuck me.
It's not a turkey sound.
That's a rooster sound. You are correct about
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Want to show the crazy orange thing.
Pierre's like, I can't blame Wraith wants to become a KFC billionaire. I can help you with that. I can definitely help you become a KFC billionaire.
Oh, hey, it actually worked. Look at that. I spent 1 KFC and now there's a folder here.
Yep, it spawns out the item for you to save it.
Yep. Well, go. What's happening here?
This is also their Neos bank that they have. They've actually set up an NJ bank, which allows you to bring out your KFC, which I think is such a funny idea. They've been using a lot of it for the Japanese community. They've also been making out some pretty cool, casino type worlds as well. Which actually we can go to that next to showcase out that one.
Do you want to show the strange orange thing? It's very bizarre. It's over there.
Yeah, sure. Let's show it out.
絶滅危惧種のチンアナゴ今なら9億9999今なら9億9999万絶滅危惧種のチンアナゴ今なら9億9999万9000絶滅危惧種のチンアナゴ今なら9億危惧種のチンアナゴ今なら9億9999絶滅危惧種のチンアナゴ今なら9億9999万9000絶滅危惧種のチンアナゴ今なら9億危惧種のチンアナゴ今なら9億種のチンアナゴ今なら9億種のチンアナゴ今なら9億9999
Can I mute it? So bad when it spans out. It actually is still playing. Why is it still playing? Like, why not the color? It's cursed. It's cursed, you guys. Okay, just so that I have sanity. My gosh, but then I can't hear the sound effects of the drums. I like these drums though. I think these drums are actually really cool. And I can even feel the haptics of them by the drum set.
Oh, damn it, I can't open my instance menu. Hold on. Oh, hold on, I can just do this. Well.
Replace the 2 material that has for the neck for some fleshy, and it turns from Japanese weirdness to nightmare fuel. Yeah, absolutely. But there's a lot more stuff that's inside of here, though, you guys, that you can check out. But if you just type in market and for the search, you should be able to find this place. And, there's a bunch of cool items that you can save to your inventory and, purchase it just with some KFC. So let's head off into that other world, though, that they built out, which reminds me for that casino world, because I think that is really, really awesome what they built out for that. Let me see if they even uploaded it. I'm hoping that they did.
Yeen. Potato Yeen.
Hello.
Get away from it. You get away from it, it'll load away so it doesn't peak.
Hi, folks.
Oh. Oh.
How are you doing?
Good deal.
I'm doing okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'm checking out the world for the next.
This world looks interesting.
Yep, we're checking out places with the
I
stream.
don't understand the point of this 360 photo that's in the middle there.
Yep, Enverex actually said the world name of what we're in right now.
Since it calls them
But yeah,
until you're close to them.
you just choose Neos Market or type in Neos Market and you should be able to find this world. I'm not seeing the casino world. Has it been uploaded? I'm pretty sure I saved it to my inventory somewhere if it's not there. I definitely want to show it off. Let's see. You tired, Frox? Did you get any rest?
I bought beer.
Casino whip? That's what I was trying to search for. Do you have it, Wraith? Do you have the...
I think I have to buy another one so we can clink it. Oh, hold on, let me.
You just duplicate it. Boom.
Oh, you know what? Yeah. Alright,
Oh,
let's
could you
try it.
send it to me? Could you send it to me as a message?
Nah.
Because I can't find it in my inventory. That would be a
That
lovely
sucks.
help.
Doesn't seem to be published.
Hmm?
Oh.
Doesn't seem
I
to
should
be
not have picked that
published.
up.
Yeah. But I still would really like to show it off though. Because I think he is gonna publish it at some point. He just has to do a few more fixes with it.
I need to show it like on next time then. It's not like
No, I'm gonna show it off. It's
okay. I have a copy.
Wraith is giving me a copy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's just weird because I know for sure I saved it into my inventory. Were you still sending it, Wraith? Oh. Now send. Here we go.
There it is.
My nose.
And this one was done out by Sleeping Kai Kai, and they have it for a lot of their events, where they've basically built out kind of slot machines and a whole bunch of other different cool casino type games. And this one, they also use KFC for the chip system, where they are actually able to deposit out casino chips for the casino chip system, which I'll show that off real quick for you guys, as well as this environment.
That was a bad idea.
Yeah, blackjack here, poker.
I'm curious. Have you thought about
Roulette. Here, let me
if
make myself
somebody
bigger.
implemented something like this
Oh, my
using
physics is all
NCR,
fucked up.
would there not be some interesting
we go.
legalities
Here,
there?
let's spin it.
Yes. It's like one of the things is because like KFC is not really like worth anything that makes it okay, but if you're like gambling with actual money, then that's covered like by a lot of like regulations and laws.
Even if it's cryptocurrency, which is
Yes.
technically not legal currency.
It's definitely like something that before we even get into any of that, like that needs to be like looked at.
Yeah,
at,
all
like,
of
by
all
lawyers
of
and
this
such,
is
make sure it's
strictly with the
alright.
fake currency inside of here.
Yeah.
Like that.
It's like
It's
KFC,
nice.
like, doesn't really have like any like value, so it's kind of more just like playing.
Yeah, so I'll show you what I did was I
wouldn't
clicked
wanna
on it
be
and
in
I'll
there
send some
anyways.
KFC
I
to
wouldn't
the
either.
system.
I bet somebody has had that thought.
I'll send we'll send 10,000 to it, and then once I send it, it's actually going to give me a physical value of the KFC and all the coins that are right there. And I could use this for putting in for like, you know, bets or whatnot, or putting into other areas for the slot machine. So let's say I want to do it for the slot machine. So I'll come over here.
There would have to be some sort of age restriction.
And
though, if
I'll
you're gonna
place
be
in
gambling like that, right?
1,000.
Oh.
I
NCR.
think there's definitely like age restriction.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yep, and then once I placed it down right there, now it says slot machine 1,000 KFC, and I can push it, and now I can start using it. Actually, let me turn on the sound effects, because there is sound effects inside this world. We can turn that up now.
I stole from their vault.
You stole from the vault? Oh, cool.
Hell yeah.
Here, do you want some KFC?
State, you have to like.
Sure.
Here, let me give you 1,000. There you go.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
It depends on the state, not the casino itself.
Playing the Neo slots. I also like how they designed the slot machines where it has the old Neos, you know, OG Neos, original design, called Neo 777. Basically, the point of this game is trying to get triple sevens for the most part. But slot machines were never really my thing. I'd say I'm like poker or blackjack more than anything.
Gambling in VR.
It does have music from his old game. It goes da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na.
Oh my.
Ooh, I got blue.
Nice.
All the fruits.
Farm huts.
Ooh.
Fox is like, I like it when it's yellow, right, Frooks?
Yes, but I want the fruit. The fruit.
You don't have to go slow with it, Fox. You could like literally spam it because I think it's like on a random algorithm. Oh, that one's a good one.
Fruit.
Yeah, you got the worm on.
Slot machines over there are broken. I'm sad.
The ones over there are broken?
Oh wait, hold on.
Yeah, but it's with it's with KFC, not actual.
Now this world isn't published yet, you guys, but I do know that Sleeping Kai Kai is planning on having this eventually published out.
The chips are there, but there's still 0.
Oh, there's no chips inside the machine. You have to. Oh, here. Let me actually try to place it down for you. Or.
It's stuck there now.
Oh, it's just stuck there.
Yeah,
Here,
it's broken.
I'll grab another 1,000 for mine. Hello.
Nah, you do you. I'm fine. I'll get my own KFC out.
Here, I'll send you
I have
some.
an interesting idea with whisper bubbles.
Okay, then.
Where, like maybe there's like 2 or 3 whisper bubbles.
Add me as a contact.
Bigger whisper bubble.
Yes, hold on.
People using KFC is funny to me because they're giving it more uses, more demand, more value. Not really. I mean, there's so much KFC that's kind of like would be. I mean, if I already have like more than a trillion, it's like kind of not gonna have it.
I put 100 into this, and it still didn't give me my freaking chips.
Wait, really?
One whole chip. Yeah.
Here, wait. Let me see what you're set to inside here. Yeah, you're yes. Maybe it's because you were set to builder.
I set to builder.
Here, I'll make that up. I'll send you 10,000, and then you can.
Well, already.
There you go.
Flying it. I'm not.
Hello.
Okay.
Hey, Wolf. Oh wow, it's me. Hi, me.
Is it you?
It's me. Red stars. Ooh, head tilt. Dang, Wraith.
It's cool.
You got money. Fake money.
Fake money.
The fakest money around.
Hey, I've got more fake.
Here, I'll also put. We'll go crazy with it and take
It's a working casino.
1,000 out right here. We'll put some chips where we want them. Let's put some 1,000 on 5. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna do a whole 7,000, and we're just gonna go 7,000 out and put it on 3, and see if we get 3.
No, not your completely fake currency. Don't gamble it away. No.
Okay, I'm rolling. Come on, roll. Roll.
Oh,
No, you worked so hard for that completely faked currency. Oh.
Yep, it's gone. I lost it. Yep,
What's wrong
that's how it
with
goes.
you?
Oh, you got a platform now too. Cool.
How could you do that?
I don't know. Hey, it's for a good cause. It goes to that that Neos Bank thing. Also, if I did have any chips to cash out, I could also just place it right here, and then it would give me back my KFC just by clicking the cash. But yeah, I wanted to show this out because they had. Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Every time I look at the completely fake currency, I get hungry.
Oh,
Eat the coin.
Yeah, so you're thinking of fried chicken. Delicious.
Yep.
But yeah, we actually had an event last week, or actually, last Saturday.
Somebody should make Robux and Neos.
Yes, I'm sure that'll happen.
I will gamble with all my Robux.
And then they got in trouble legally.
Shoot, boy.
How long has it been since I played Roblox?
Well, since you were 13, so 5 years ago. No, just kidding.
I play it every day.
Oh my god.
Yesterday.
That's crazy.
Yesterday. Yeah. I'll trade some V-Bucks for your Roblox, says Pierre. So. Do you want to make that trade, Jelly? Are you gonna trade all your V-Bucks? Do you want to trade for V-Bucks?
Can we make V-Bucks and Neos?
No.
It's a good deal.
No.
But what about Robux?
No, we're not doing that either.
No, I love my Robux.
You can advertise out Neos though in Roblox if you really want to though.
Oh shit! There we go. There we go. Let's do it.
Oh gosh. I'm joking, by the way. Don't actually do that.
Neos t-shirt and Roblox. I'll make so many Robux.
Do it in 5 seconds.
Oh gosh.
Let me just grab a PNG real quick.
Yeah, I love Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I love breading my chicken.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream today. We're getting pretty close. It's going to be in the next 4 minutes where we're going to be ending off the stream. I wanted to thank again to everyone who has supported out this channel for following, as well as supporting us out through the bits today and subscribing.
Oh no, not a banhammer.
And again, thank you guys so much for helping out this community and helping it grow and making it so positive for all the people that have been here inside of Neos that have been so kind to each other. And it always is nice to hear when people have that kind of feeling inside of your head. Yes. Oh, and heart. So yeah, you guys are great. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing Friday and enjoy your day.
Bye everybody.
Hearts for you guys. And we'll have more to show for next week as well. I'm not sure what we're going to be really doing, but usually we figure out something that we do for the streams. And we do this again every single Friday, 3 p.m. PST for around 2 hours. And we're ending off the stream right now. Do you want to say goodbye, or did you have anything extra that you want to take away before we ended off the stream? Like maybe something that you wanted to talk about?
I guess not. Just like working like on DP haptics integration, but
actually, why don't you talk about that before we end off the stream? Because we still have 4 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm such like working like on integration like DP haptics, but like the big part of it is like doing
some
like
people don't know what that is. Like, why don't you like?
It's like a haptic suit. I'll actually bring a picture. So you have like a haptic vest and let's see.
Yeah, so this would allow for haptics inside of Neos wearing this haptic vest and making it
exciting.
It's got like 3 parts.
So we're gonna have a casino in here. Like people are going to be gambling, huh?
You're in the way of the camera.
Hello, people. I'm very drunk. Sorry.
Here.
So you got like the vest. You've got like the arm, like arm attachments, and you also have like a one for the like headset as well.
Yeah.
And essentially this is gonna support like this natively, but like the big part of like implementation right now is like just getting Neos to support sort of like a general haptic system, so you can kind of like define like haptic volumes, like say for example like this area is like supposed to like create like this form of haptics. For example, let's say you make a hot tub, and like it's bubbly, so we like define like this volume is like a turbulent haptics and so on, and then like whatever device you use, it's gonna know like which parts of like your body are like virtual body are within that volume, and you'll be able like to feel it like for example vibration. Or if somebody like taps you on the shoulder or hugs you, you'll be able like to feel the avatar as well without like having to like do too much. You can like set it up. You can like enhance like your own content in Neos as well. And as there's like gonna be like more and more haptic solutions like the suit or the O suit, we'll be able to support it with the same system. And it's kind of just like designing like it's kind of like generalized system.
Nice. And this is the stuff that you've been working on for this week, which I think is really awesome, us having a form of like a cheap haptic suit that I'm sure a lot of people would be able to purchase and get. Here inside of Neos, as well as we have plans for future haptic suits and other forms of haptics here for Neos, because we think that that could be a real amazing prospect for VR, for the future of VR. Same thing with eye tracking and mouth tracking and better body tracking and all this other stuff that's really going to bring ourselves inside of the virtual experience and make a metaverse as good as it possibly can be.
I was also like preparing Neos like for like more like so like as there's like more and more like technology that kind of like brings like haptics and different ways like to interact with the virtual world. So like Neos already has like a framework to work with it, and if you already make content that works like with the haptics, then if there's like another suit that we support, like it'll just work with that as well. And it's kind of just like designing like an like system how to like map it and how to like generalize it into something.
Frox's sketches look like you know, like something that Einstein would do, so these are always impressive to look at.
This is the doodles.
I was gonna say that.
Yeah, the boy's a genius. An absolute genius. I mean, look at these guys. They look great.
Look at that look like good. I have to like have a look.
Awesome. Well, can't resolve. Weird now. But yeah, thank you for that, Frox, and talking about that. You're awesome.
Yeah.
But yeah, have an amazing day, everyone. Enjoy your Friday, and if you need any more information about Neos, you can join our Discord, discord.gg/NeosVR. And you can also, if you want to support out this project and everything that we do, yeah, we all love you. If you want to support out this project and everything that we do have a Patreon, and if you become a Patreon, you can get NCR, which is our cryptocurrency, more than half of it back, and can be a pretty good investment, as well as you can get extra storage for your Neos account and a whole bunch of additional perks. But it also, for the main thing, it helps support us out and grow out this really awesome online virtual universe. And thank you guys again. Have an amazing day. And hopefully you enjoyed your Thanksgiving if you have that in your area and you celebrate that. If not, then I just hope you had an amazing day. Peace, everyone.
Later.